discover a world where woodworking becomes smoother, faster, and surprisingly enjoyable. These 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon are the clever upgrades that transform everyday projects into satisfying masterpieces. Whether you're shaping, sanding, measuring, or assembling, these tools solve common workshop problems with smart, time-saving designs. If you've ever wished tasks were easier or results looked more professional, this list will feel like uncovering hidden treasure for your toolbox. Time to level up your craft. KKLMNDUO Adjustable Spokeshave Set. The KKLMNDUO Adjustable Spokeshave Set is a versatile woodworking tool designed for precision and comfort. Crafted from heat-treated SK2 steel, its blades boast a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and durability. Ergonomically contoured handles and a corrosion-resistant coating provide comfort and control, while the double screw adjustment allows precise planing thickness. The set includes a 4-in-1 wood rasp for fine or coarse shaping, ideal for carving, shaping chair legs, or intricate curved designs. This set is perfect for beginners and seasoned woodworkers seeking accuracy and efficiency in their projects. Clarke Brothers Dovetail Marker. The Clarke Brothers Dovetail Marker is an essential precision tool for any woodworker aiming for flawless dovetail joints. Crafted from a solid aluminum billet, it offers durability, lightweight, and corrosion resistance. With 4 slope ratios for both hardwood and softwood, etched double-sided scales, and an ergonomic design with long legs, marking joints becomes effortless and accurate. Compact yet practical, it speeds up hand-cutting dovetails, making it perfect for workshops or on-the-go woodworking projects. WETOLS Corner Clamp. The WETOLS Corner Clamp is a cool and practical gadget, making it an ideal gift for men, dads, husbands, or grandpas. This set of 4 durable wood clamps is perfect for woodworking, cabinet making, welding, and DIY projects. Designed for precision, it securely fixes boards and frames at a 90-degree angle, fitting thicknesses from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Made from premium polyamide, it ensures durability and stability. With strong spring tension and single-handed operation, it's a must-have woodworking tool for accurate, effortless assembly. .3H Cabinet Jacks. The 3H Cabinet Jacks are essential home improvement tools designed for precision, safety, and convenience. With a 165-pound, 75-kilogram load capacity and an adjustable height from 15.7 to 27.5 inches, 40 to 70 centimeters. They're perfect for cabinet installation, drywall lifting, crown molding, and more. Built with thickened steel and an aluminum handle, these jacks feature non-slip pads, a 360-degree rotating base, and a secure push-lock system for easy height adjustment, offering hands-free stability and a reliable labor-saving solution for every home project. DEGLASERS Digital Angle Finder. The DEGLASERS Digital Angle Finder is a 2-in-1 stainless steel tool that functions as both a ruler and a digital protractor, ideal for woodworking, construction, and engineering. It measures angles from 0 to 360 degrees with plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and supports both metric and imperial units. Featuring a clear LCD display, locking and zeroing functions, and automatic shutoff for battery saving, it's designed for easy use and precision. Perfect for measuring inside, outside, or reverse angles, it's a durable, reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. LaserPecker LP2. The LaserPecker LP2 is a compact, high-precision laser engraver designed for creators who want fast and detailed results. Using upgraded Galvo technology, it delivers engraving speeds up to 1,417 inches per minute with a 0.05mm laser spot for clear and refined detail. It offers multiple resolution settings and supports 360-degree rotary engraving, making it ideal for cylindrical items like tumblers and pens. It works on wood, leather, cardboard, coated metals, and more, and can cut thin materials. This portable plug-and-play machine connects easily to a smartphone or PC, making it convenient for both beginners and professionals. Includes safety glasses and a 12-month warranty. Portable Workbench. The Portable Workbench is crafted from high-quality beechwood, known for its strength, impact resistance, and durability. Its surface features a naturally beautiful, clear wood grain that adds aesthetic appeal to your workspace. This multifunctional bench is ideal for chiseling, planing, sawing, and other woodworking tasks, offering reliable stability. Measuring just 20.8 by 11 by 2.7 inches, it's compact and easy to carry or mount anywhere. It includes 4 metal bench dogs that deliver excellent clamping power for secure and precise work. Made from recyclable, non-toxic beechwood, it is both environmentally friendly and safe to use. Kreg Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit is a must-have for woodworkers seeking precise and professional joint alignment. Its removable drill guides and built-in centering make creating strong, accurate cabinet and furniture joints effortless. Hardened steel guides and an alignment pin ensure consistent, repeatable results every time. Perfect for both home workshops and professional carpentry, this versatile jig works seamlessly with trigger clamps for cabinets, furniture, and repair projects. Durable and portable, the Kreg Dowel Jig helps turn woodworking ideas into flawless outcomes with ease. BORA Pocket Hole Jig. The BORA Pocket Hole Jig is a complete joinery kit designed for clean, strong, and professional woodworking joints. It comes with a benchtop auto-adjusting pocket hole jig and a 50-piece screw set, so you're ready to start right away. Its self-calibrating design automatically sets itself based on material thickness, eliminating guesswork and manual adjustments. Color-coded screws make pairing the right size simple and offer corrosion resistance for long-lasting strength. Built for durability and precise alignment, this jig delivers consistent, reliable joints, streamlining your workflow and improving results on furniture building, repairs, cabinetry, and all your home woodworking projects. Self-centering Doweling Jig. The self-centering Doweling Jig, $32.99, is a complete, easy-to-use kit designed to help you create strong, precise dowel joints in your woodworking projects. It includes 3 hardened steel bushings, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, allowing accurate drilling for different dowel sizes. The adjustable clamp works on boards from 0.4 inches to 2 inches, making it ideal for T-joints, L-joints, and edge joints. The self-centering mechanism ensures perfectly aligned, perpendicular holes every time, with laser-etched inch and millimeter scales for accuracy made from high-quality anodized aluminum. This jig is durable, stable, and perfect for professionals, DIYers, and hobby woodworkers alike. BLACKZERO Brushless Drill. The BLACKZERO Brushless Drill brings a modern upgrade to everyday drilling with its intelligent display and 5 easy-to-switch working modes. The digital screen shows direction cues and mode settings, making operations simple for both beginners and experienced users. Its minimalist matte body and ergonomic handle create a comfortable, secure grip. Powered by a 16.8-volt brushless motor delivering up to 60 Nm torque, it offers strong, stable performance with lower noise and longer lifespan. The Type-C fast charge system even allows reverse charging to power your phone. Lightweight and equipped with a 1,600 mAh battery, it's built for convenience in tight or elevated spaces. VEVOR Thickness Planer. The VEVOR Thickness Planer is built to deliver smooth, consistent boards for woodworking projects, whether you're refining rough lumber or ensuring uniform thickness. Powered by a strong 15-amp motor, it handles both softwoods and hardwoods with ease. Depending on the model, it offers a 12.5-inch or 13-inch cutting width and uses either 2 or 3 high-hardness HSS blades or a spiral cutter head for cleaner results. Its foldable infeed and outfeed tables support longer boards, while a dust exhaust interface helps keep the workspace clean. Safety features like overload protection and a power-off switch add reliable control and reassurance during use. Electric Hand Planer. The MTEL-HIG Electric Hand Planer delivers brushless efficiency with a powerful 15,000 RPM motor and a 3.2 5-inch 82mm planing width. Easily adjust the cutting depth up to 0.08 inches, 2mm, with 0.01mm precision for smooth, accurate material removal. Designed for DeWalt 20-volt batteries, sold separately, this cordless planer combines power and portability. A dual-switch safety system prevents accidental starts, keeping you protected, lightweight, and ergonomically crafted. It ensures comfort during extended use. Quick blade changes and intuitive controls make it ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, enhancing efficiency and precision in every woodworking project. Digital Tape Measure. The DT20 Digital Tape Measure revolutionizes measuring with advanced D, AT, ASYNCD, ISPLAY technology, delivering fast, precise, and reliable readings every time. Its compact, lightweight design, wrist strap, and back clip make it perfect for scaffolding, ladders, or any high workspace, ideal for carpenters, interior designers, and industrial surveys. With memory for 20 measurements, 6 unit conversions, and area volume calculations, it saves time and effort. Engineered with impact-absorbing materials and ergonomic design, the DT20 ensures durability, accuracy, and portability. Measuring has never been smarter. This tape combines digital precision with versatile functionality for every professional and DIY project. Sili Glue Brush. The Sili Glue Brush is a game changer for woodworkers and crafters alike. This reusable silicone brush applies yellow wood or white school glue quickly and efficiently, eliminating the need for disposable brushes. Available in 1/2-inch and 1-inch sizes, it handles everything from small dovetail joints to larger wood pieces. Its non-stick silicone bristles make cleanup effortless, while the comfortable grip and flat paddle tip ensure precise glue spreading. Perfect for woodworking, arts, and crafts, this durable brush keeps projects mess-free and enjoyable every time. Heavy-duty Workbench Vise. The Heavy-duty Workbench Vise is a professional multi-shape work-holding vise designed to grip wood, metal, plastic, resin, and irregular objects with unmatched precision and stability. Featuring a 2.4 4-inch jaw opening, it offers superior versatility for crafts, automotive work, and DIY projects. Crafted from aluminum, stainless steel, and brass for long-term durability, it includes 3-point rotational control for ultra-precise adjustments. The silicone base ensures a secure, non-slip grip, while the interchangeable jaws and 360-degree rotating base make it a complete all-in-one workshop vise system. Bushcraft Settlers Tool. A Bushcraft Settlers tool, also known as a Scotch eye auger, is a must-have for outdoor survivalists and woodworkers. This hand-powered drill allows you to bore holes and craft matching wooden pegs for building shelters, furniture, or traps in the wild top-rated models like the Wayland Settlers tool and HNO-NPW Bushcraft gear are made of high carbon or hardened steel for strength and sharpness. Look for features such as a peg maker end, durable welds, and a leather sheath for safe, portable, and long-lasting use.